back to Sweet Caroline. So, yesterday I got this awesome cookbook. And I'm going to be trying one of the recipes in it today, which is Flourless chocolate cake. So, let's get started. The ingredients you'll need for this recipe are vegetable oil spray, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter cut into 4 pieces, a half cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, 3 large eggs, a 1/4 cup of water, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. First, preheat your oven to 275 degrees. Then, with the vegetable oil spray, spray the inside of 6 ramekins. Then, in a large microwave-safe bowl, combine the chocolate chips and butter. Then, microwave at 50% power for 2 minutes. Then, using a rubber spatula, combine. Mixture should look like this when it's done. Then, in a different medium-sized bowl, combine the sugar and cornstarch. Then add eggs, water, vanilla, and salt, and mix until combined. Then add sugar mixture to the chocolate mixture and whisk until smooth. Then pour into ramekins about 3/4 the way full. Then place ramekins on a baking sheet and bake for about 20 minutes or until the edges are set and the center is still a little wet. Then let them cool for 30 minutes, and then after, cover the ramekins in plastic wrap, poke little holes in them, and refrigerate for 1.5 hours. They're done. Now you can put whipped cream on it if you want, but after you heat it up for about 30 seconds to a minute. Let's try it. That's really good. It's like the perfect consistency. Wow. I really think you should make this recipe yourself. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye!